Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. At least I think it's Friday. All my days are mixed up. What if it was Monday? Anyway, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. If you don't know who I am, my name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a long-term Boglehead investor. I'm author of the book, Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon for $3. And I'm an amazing coffee mug and t-shirt designer. Links in the description below. Now, I like doing stock analysis every once in a while. I'm an index fund investor. I have 95% of my portfolio in the VT ETF, the Vanguard Total World Stock Market Index ETF. 95%. But I leave 5% for fun, for whatever I want to do. But usually that consists of just buying individual stocks. If I had to pick stocks on my own and there weren't any index funds, I would probably be a value investor, but since there's index funds, I decided to stick with those because they're a lot easier, and sometimes the market can be stupid. However, I found this really, really cool tool that you can actually use to help you with your analysis. Now, before I show you it, I want you to be mindful that you should always double check all financial data that you see on the internet. Even Yahoo Finance can be freaking inaccurate, okay? You always want to double check your stuff. Let's go check out this website, and then I'm going to compare it to an actual 10K, an actual annual financial report, and we're going to see how accurate it is. But first, let's dive into it and check out this pretty cool thing that I found. And this is really useful to give you like a really good snapshot of how a company's performed over the last couple of years. Yeah, I think it goes back 30 years, actually. Let me share my screen. Okay. So I was browsing our value investing. I think it's our value investing, the subreddit for value investors on Reddit. And I came across this post from this dude. And I don't know if this website is like collecting my data and I'm getting hacked or something like that, but it seems legit. It's called HTTPS. I'll put the link in the description when I'm done with this video. /ROIC, I guess return on invested capital, .ai. All right. But if you get a virus from this website, don't sue me. So this is it. It's powered by AI. Looks pretty boring. You know, investing's boring, right? Looks pretty boring. And basically you just type in whatever ticker you want, whatever company you want, and it pulls up some financial data. Before we do that, let's read a little bit more about this website. About us. Imagine you've encountered the name of a company you didn't know while reading a newspaper article. Do people read newspapers now? Is that a thing anymore? What's your first action? Buy it, bro. It's the future. Should you check the description of the company by Googling it? I use Bing. I use Ask Jeeves. Look at stock prices or go to SEC site to download financial statements. I would say the last one, but you know, maybe I'm just a boring investor that actually looks at financials, not just future, bro. Creating the most comprehensive summary of companies in one place is what we try to implement in our service. One page, one company, 17 years of financial data with corresponding stock prices to check the relationship between fundamentals. If you want more, we added full 30 plus years of financial statements completely free of charge. Now, that's one thing that kind of took me back. I was like, free of charge? What's going on here? I am still a little suspicious, but I mean, the data seems legit. So we'll see. Maybe I'll be hacked or something, and then all my accounts will be drained. Blah, 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 blah. So they actually have some good caveats here. Double check all information you can before making a financial decision. Yes. Read financial statements of a company on the SEC website for the last 5 years. Oh my God. You know how long 10Ks are? Annual financial reports, hundreds of pages. Have fun reading that. Or you can just buy an index fund. Read the latest news about a business from trusted publishers like Strongman Personal Finance. Mark Twain quote, whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. Mark's so stupid. Tesla's the future, bro. It's not overvalued. Double check everything. And then they have a little bit about the founder. So we developed this for our personal use and we decided to make it public. Blah, blah, blah. So this is the guy right here, Vlad Chernikov. Thanks, bro. Hopefully you're not hacking me, but I really appreciate this. This is right. And then they have some frequently asked questions. This is pretty freaking cool. They actually give you financial ratios, okay? I know this is boring and it requires a little bit of math, but this is some of the basic due diligence you need to do to calculate your intrinsic value of the company if you want to do that. Or you can just buy Tesla, you know, whatever you want to do. But I like to do. So, and they give some answers. They answer some questions. So let's go ahead and check out Walmart.com because I like Walmart. The stock's kind of expensive, but Walmart is literally my favorite company. I'm not even exaggerating. I think it's the best company in the freaking planet. So you type in Walmart. I think you can type in the ticker symbol too. Let's try that. So I typed in MWT or WMT. Yeah, it brings up Walmart. And if you type in Walmart, ooh, delicious. Man, this is on point. Woo-hoo! So let's check some of this stuff. So they got Walmart, New York Stock Exchange ticker, WMT. Let's see the most recent price. Walmart stock. 143.16. You go on the website. Oh, crap. 143.16. Okay. PE ratio 40. Let's see what the PE ratio is. Well, here it says 50. That's interesting. Wonder how they calculate that. And then it just has some chart information, which I wouldn't freaking use this. I mean, this is like for traders and douchebags. But they have a ton of cool stuff. Let me zoom in just a little bit. So going back to 2007, they have sales per share, earnings per share, free cash flow per share, dividends per share, capital expenditures, book value, blah, blah, blah. And they even compare the PE ratio relative to the S&P 500. That kind of gives you a quick snapshot on whether the stock is overvalued or not on a very simplistic basis compared to other companies in the S&P 500. I mean, this is pretty freaking cool, okay? So they have all this financial data, and you can actually use this because let's say you're doing a discounted cash flow model and you want to know free cash flow per share and you want to project it into the future. Well, you can look here. Over the last, well, it's hard to highlight it. There's got to be, I might actually build a model based off this. You can actually see like here, free cash flow per share. It's freaking cool, okay? I like this. I like this a lot. I know it's boring. They even have a summary of Walmart right here because I didn't know what Walmart was before I read this, but pretty intrigued by this company. Just kidding. Capital structure, total liabilities, total assets, long-term debt, goodwill, retained. I mean, this is freaking cool. How can you not like this? Okay. But my main concern is the accuracy of the data, which they actually added full financial statements. So I'm going to go pull up Walmart's financial statements, and I'm going to compare them to what they put on this website because that tells you whether they're actually on the right track or not. I don't know how they do this. Maybe they have like a AI bot that goes on the SEC, downloads the forms, copies it over. I don't know. I'm not a technology person. I'm just a loser accountant. So let's look at 2020 and let's look at revenue, cost of goods sold, and gross profit. Let's see. So on here, for 2020, they said revenue was $523 billion. Let's go check the Walmart annual report. I thought I had this downloaded already. Oops. All right, so let's jump to item 8. That's financial statements and supplementary data. Auditor's report, don't care. Well, you should care, but not for this purpose. Walmart consolidated statements of income. So we look at 2020 for the fiscal year ended January 31st. And look at that. Total revenues, $523,964. We go back here. Let me move this over. $523,964. Cost of goods sold, $394,605. $394,605. Operating income, $25,608. Operating income, $25,608. And they even give you the freaking ratios. Look at this. They give you every kind of margin ratio. They give you EBITDA, which I hate. Operating income ratio. Net income before tax ratio. And net income ratio, which is your actual bottom line profit. I mean, this is freaking cool, man. Let's look. I know. I sound like a broken record, but this is really freaking awesome. You know, I can't get over this, how delicious this is. They have a statement of cash flows. I wonder if they have a free cash flow. Do they calculate free cash flow anywhere? Here it is. Yeah, they even have free cash flow. That's so awesome, dude. I like this a lot. This is pretty freaking cool. So I would check this out. Like I said, I'm always suspicious of things that are free. Like if I put this much effort into this, I would be charging out the butt. I'm sorry. I mean, I know I'm a greedy, evil man that all I care about is money, but if I put this much freaking work into making something this cool, I'm going to charge some delicious dollars. You're going to pay me, boy. So I want to be rich and retire. But, you know, you can do whatever you want. So it seems like most of the stocks work. Let's see if a more obscure stock pops up. Kiwi. Look at this. Even the most obscure freaking stocks, you can find them. I mean, come on, man. This is pretty freaking cool. Now, I should check the accuracy of this, but I don't have time this morning. All right, so that's kind of it. Pretty cool, everybody. Let's see some comments. What I miss? Nothing, bro. Match your tax advantage accounts. I mailed you a video request, bro. Oh, you paid me. I'm going to have to do a video for you now. Yeah, I saw that. So, guys, like, I'm super freaking busy, but I will be answering all your emails. It just takes a lot of time because I have like 4 jobs and I just got back from a vacation and I have to do videos and watch my kid. And it's freaking madness. So I will get to all your, if I haven't responded to your email in a long time, email me again and remind me. Okay. Cause like I got a lot going on. I'm serious. He's going over a new site, Jay, found on Reddit. Link will be in the description after the video. Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool. Jay Cabrera, thank you very much. Now that you paid me $5, which YouTube takes 40%, I think, I will have to make a video for you. my pay rate will be like, I don't know, 2 cents an hour, something like that. I'm just kidding. This looks awesome. It's pretty freaking cool. So I'm going to end this video now because I have to go to work shortly. And then I'm going to paste the link in the description. So y'all have a wonderful day. And I'll have another video coming out at 9:30 that I already pre-filmed. Talk to you later. Cheers.